హాయ్ స్టెనోగ్రాఫర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఫినాట్స్ స్టెనో-టైప్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ ఛానల్ని చూస్తుంటే మరింత కంటెంట్ కోసం దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి మన స్టెనోగ్రాఫర్స్కి, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫ్రెండ్స్, అవర్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ passing through very difficult times. We are facing critical stress and strain of many kinds. Anti-social forces are at work in almost all parts of the country to pose threat to our unity and integrity. The poorer groups of our country are finding it hard to get means of living. In order to meet these challenges, we have decided to introduce special plans and programs to bring public awareness. It is necessary that each and every individual comes forward, expresses his views on the different problems we are having and suggest effective methods for the successful implementation of these plans. I would like to say that any plans introduced by the government cannot be successful without the people taking part in the same. We must therefore make sure of the full support of the people in this work. All that we require now is that people of all walks should make up their minds to help one another rather than compete with one another. Competition is good, but in certain point of time in the history of a people, competition is not of much value. We must all work hard, pull together and cooperate with one another. The differences between public and private servant, traders and people are gone. Everyone is the servant of the state now. Everyone is bound by some rules of public conduct. We can all work together, each in his own way. Every little drop of water makes an ocean. The efforts put in by each one will help towards the progress of the nation. Let us all work together to bring down the burden on our leaders. Let us take the responsibility of making our people happier. If we realize the spirit behind unity, then only we all can progress in life. Dear sirs, we are glad to inform you that we now stock the famous bright pencils with blue and red chalks to sell at rupees 10 per box. We are sure these should sell very freely at all branches, and we shall send a dozen boxes in our next supply. Messrs. Course and Company, the makers, are very keen for much wider publicity, and we enclose few samples of small posters for window display. These posters, as you will see, describe the pencils clearly and simply, and should make a strong appeal to the many possible users of pencils. As far as discount is concerned, we allow 30% on wholesale agency. Thanking you, we remain yours very truly.